Hey, this is Corey with the Middle Georgia Rug Spa, and we've got a beautiful Chinese rug here that we've washed. You can see the rug turned out really nice, but we've got this area right here that would not budge with any of our washing, and we finally were able to determine from the customer that it was coffee. Sometimes coffee comes right out, sometimes it doesn't, but I'm going to show you just knowing chemistry and having the right spotters can make all the difference in the world. This wash, this didn't come out at all. We've tested a few other products, didn't get any success, and finally found the right combination. I've tested this and got success. I'm going to show you what I did. We'll test this little area right here. When you're dealing with wool, we're always careful not to rub. You would not want to take that brush and rub on it because you can change the texture of the fibers. This is hair that we're working on. So we just try to get that to penetrate. And then this is the second part for a combination that we found worked. And you can see it's beginning to dissolve that coffee stain. This is not something that we could do in the home. It's got to be done here in the rug spa. And we'll give that a little bit more dwell time, but you can already see how much better that's looking. We've got to treat all of this to remove it, but I wanted to share it with all of our customers online. We'll rinse this out and this will look great. Have a great day.